together now. Hey! Let's go! Let's go! I want to see everybody dancing together and having a good time on this one. This song's called Shake It.